Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. Today I'm just gonna be doing what's on my iPhone video. I think the last time I did this kind of video was like 2 years ago on my iPhone 11. That phone was stolen. I obviously have a new phone now. That story is for another day if you guys want to hear the story time on that. I feel like I would really be exposing myself and my life in Korea, but yeah, it's kind of a funny story. Not really that funny. I ended up buying the iPhone 13 last year. I have it in the pink color. I have the regular Apple phone case right now. It's just the pink one. I wanted to keep going with the pink vibe. I got this belly gum sticker this weekend, so I just stuck it on there. And then I have a phone wrist strap charm. This is from just a street shop in Hongdae. They're literally everywhere here in Korea. First off, my phone wallpaper is Jungkook from Calvin Klein. I had to. This look was everything for me. I just have that for my lock screen, and then for my home screen I also have his other Calvin Klein photo. I tried to keep it a little PG, low-key. His abs in this picture are covered by some abs. Okay, so on the first screen, this is what it looks like. I don't really do anything too interesting with my phone. I love the aesthetics of changing the widgets, but one, I constantly am changing my wallpaper. I hate having to change the widgets all the time. I just don't have the time or the energy. I just have the regular app faces. The only widgets that I do have are like just the ones that are basic that already come with the phone. So I have this batteries widget and I love it because I can see all of my devices and their battery lives. And then when I connect my AirPods or my headphones, those show up too. It shows when it's charging. And then I have the calendar app, and then I have FaceTime, phone, camera, clock, settings. And then in my pics folder, I actually was clearing out some space on my phone, so a lot of the apps that I don't normally use got taken off. So there's Google Photos, PixArt. PixArt I use to only really to make my thumbnails because I like the collaging feature on it, but that's the only reason why I have it. So for Beauty Plus, if I was to pull up a picture of myself, what I like to do is just to smooth out some facial lines sometimes, or I like to whiten my teeth. Sometimes my hair looks really weird, so I'll like flatten my hair if that makes sense. And I also use it to lighten the background or the overall tone of the photo. This is my regular photo. I'm actually trying my best to clear out my photos, and I'm like deleting ones that I don't need. So I've just been like deleting pictures and stuff, but I've been trying to be a little bit more organized with my photo albums just so it makes it easier for me to post on Instagram. I have VLLO or Vlo. This is what I also use to edit my YouTube videos. So I don't know if you guys know, but I edit on iMovie. Makes my life super easy. And then I purchased Vlo. I don't remember how much it was. I have it on my phone, and if you have an iPad, you can also download it for your iPad, but you can't download it for MacBooks. It's just another editing software. I love it. I love the little like templates that they have. I just love it for editing. Then I have Fonto. Fonto I use to make my thumbnails. That's how I put words on there. Snow, it's just this like photo app that people in Korea use. I don't particularly use it. Then I have Lens Buddy, but I don't really use that. Snapseed. Scroll, I want to do collaged photos for big events in my life, like my anniversary of being in Korea, and I downloaded this app because I felt like there were some really cool templates, but I've just never used it. And then there's Pixel Cut, Prequel, and VSCO, which obviously you can tell by all of the download symbols that I don't use those. I try honestly to not edit a lot of my photos. Like I don't like to spend a lot of time editing them. I just hope that they go together. I just like the look of bright and colorful. And then in my social folder, this is literally my most used folder. It's kind of embarrassing. On my phone, literally all I do is take pictures and go on social media. So I have Snapchat. This is only for really, really, really close friends. We're just like on opposite ends of the world. Shout out to my bros, but this is like our main source of communication, I feel like. Real-time updates with pictures, and it's just like, it's such a throwback to when Snapchat first came out, but I actually am really thankful for it. And then I have Pinterest. You can follow me on my Pinterest right here. I love Pinterest. I love it for outfit inspiration, looking at food, looking at makeup. I'm just obsessed with it. yeah, this is my Pinterest. And then I have Twitter. I don't really use my Twitter that often. I just like getting notifications from idol companies and like idols updates on album releases and like fun exhibitions that I can go to. And then YouTube, obviously pretty self-explanatory. Sometimes I gotta watch my ASMR videos in bed and I don't want to use my laptop, so I gotta use my phone. And then there's Facebook Messenger, don't really use that. And then I have YouTube Studio just to check my analytics and to make sure that my video is posted. And I can also upload reels or shorts technically. And then I have Tumblr. Tumblr, I read fanfic sometimes. And then I have Facebook and Instagram. Facebook is just more so for my family. This is my Instagram. This is what it looks like. Follow me on Instagram if you're interested. Love posting on my story. And then this is what my Instagram looks like. I feel like it's just getting more colorful and I'm kind of obsessed with it. So yeah, this is my personal Instagram. I also have a trading Instagram. I'm not like the main admin. Allison is the main admin right now because they're selling and trading in the States. It's a lot easier to just like do stuff like that in the States. They took a lot of my PCs home with them when they moved back from Korea. So they're posting on their different like PCs that they're selling or wanting to trade. So if you're interested, definitely go follow this account. And I have TikTok. I've been obsessed with TikTok. I could be on TikTok for hours. My TikTok is Hoshi's Choice. I have Netflix, don't really watch on Netflix. I have Be Real. I love Be Real. I don't know if you guys really know it. Basically, you get a notification at any random point during the day and you have 2 minutes to post like a real raw photo of like what you're doing, what you look like, what's in front of you. I just love the concept of it. And then it's really fun because at the end of the year they do a Be Real look back video and they take all of the pictures that you took within the year and they compile it into like a really short video. It's just so fun to see like one thing that you did every single day. This is my dashboard. I have my email, Kakao Talk, messaging, and then like this music folder. Kakao Talk is how I message a lot of my friends in Korea. For music, I have just the regular Apple Music and I use Spotify. If you want to follow my Spotify is Amanda Cardona. The last set of apps. I talk so much, so sorry. I have the weather app and then I have utilities. So this is Safari, Chrome, MyFitnessPal. Don't really use that. And Theme Shop. Theme Shop I only use if I want to change the way my Kakao Talk looks. So this is my Korea folder. There's a lot of like random apps in here. Air Visual, which tells me the air quality index. I have Pass, and then this is Beidal, which is a food delivery service app. And this is Interpark Ticket, so sometimes I'll use this app if I need to do ticketing on my phone. Hive Insight, it deleted itself because I haven't been to Hive in a hot minute. Oh yeah, and then this is the Kuv app. So the Kuv app, if you got your COVID vaccines in Korea, you have to download this app because it like verifies that you got them. Seoul Bike, so if you want to rent a bike, if I want to like bike along the river, it's like $1. And then Coupon Eats, self-explanatory delivery app. And then this is trip.com. I downloaded this because my mom bought me tickets to go to Japan for the summer. We're doing a family trip, and so my mom said that she would treat me and my brother, and obviously since they're flying from Canada and I'm flying from Korea, I had to book separately. And then on the second page here I have KoRail, or the KTX app. This is how I buy train tickets. I'm going to Gangneung in like 2 weeks. And then Airbnb, this like lightning app, is where I sometimes will buy photo cards. And then this is the 17 Lightstick app. Jeju Air, I look at flights sometimes. Kakao Map. And then I have the Starbucks app, Expedia, Bill Letter, Home Tax, that's how I did my taxes this year, and then Tracy. So Tracy's like the foreigner app that makes life easy here in Korea. Okay, and then bank. So I'm with KEB Hana. These are all my banking apps. And then I have Weavers folder, I have VLive, and then Weaver Shop, and then I have the SM Town app. And productivity, I have Gmail, is that Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Doc, and Notion. I primarily use Notion, but this is basically how I budget. I've been really into making lists lately, so these are a list of lists. So I have to buy my anime watch list. Also, if you guys have any animes that you recommend watching, please comment them down below. And then I have my April budget. I have a completed list, and then I have completed books. My goal is to read 1 book a month this year. Japan, things I need for like being able to go there. Japan 2023, the entire itinerary mapped out as to like my flight itinerary, the hotels that we booked, and then my brother and I are going to be planning the actual things that we're going to do when we're in Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. And then I have winter vacation itinerary. So far I only have the dates, and then places I want to go. So I decided that this year I want to check off a lot of places that I want to see, cafes, just like random things, and I made a list of it and I'm going to check them off as I go. And then I have a Gangneung itinerary. So like I said, I'm going to Gangneung in 2 weeks, so I have everything like kind of meticulously planned. I'm doing a solo trip. I'm really excited. I love Notion. It's really helpful. I highly recommend it. And then I have contacts, navigation. Naver is like their Google. I only really use Naver to reserve things, like do bookings. If I want to go somewhere, I want to go to a restaurant, I want to go like get my hair done, I pop a go. Cacao tea, love it. If I need a taxi, it's quick and easy, amazing. And then I downloaded Google Maps because I heard in Japan they use Google Maps. Utilities, wallet, app store, notes, reminders, find my iPhone, and Flow. And then shopping, Coupang. I'm like always on Coupang. It's basically Korean Amazon. I have H&M, which I obviously haven't used in a long time. PayPal, Shein, Yes Style's awful. Obviously haven't used those apps. I just haven't removed them from my screen. And then I have Ably. Ably is another like online shopping service here in Korea. Basically, look up something and you'll find it for so much cheaper than what you would spend at the physical store. Education, I haven't used any of these apps, you can tell, because like they've literally all undownloaded themselves. But there's Duolingo, Drops, Okidoki, and Lingo something. Last one is lifestyle. This is BTS Island or whatever. I've literally never played it. The thing that I love about the new update is that you can save your wallpapers. So I have so many different wallpapers saved, and when you're in a different mood, you can change your wallpaper. I can change it to Scoops, I can change it to Yoongi, I can change it to some flowers, BTS. Literally, I can change it to anything. I just love that you can save the wallpapers and you don't have to keep like changing them like that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!